Hey guys, this is Ella with EK Essentials and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, i-discuss natin ang mga tips for how to wax a sensitive skin. So, keep on watching. So, ano nga ba yung mga pwede nating gawin kapag gusto nating mag-try ng waxing pero alam natin sa sarili natin na may sensitive skin tayo? Okay, isa sa mga suggested na pwedeng gawin pre-waxing or before waxing is to prep our skin for hydration. Ano nga bang ibig sabihin nun? Kunyari, naka-schedule ka na mag-wax today, you can drink a few glasses of water or at least 2 glasses of water just to keep your skin hydrated, just to keep yourself hydrated. Kasi mas masakit at saka mas may possibility yung redness and pink. Magkaroon tayo ng reddish or pinkish na balat during waxing kapag dehydrated yung skin natin. Pwede rin nating iwasan yung mga caffeine or alcohol na common causes ng ating pagka-dehydrate, kasi itong mga drinks na to is said na nagko-cause siya ng dehydration sa balat. So the more na dehydrated yung balat natin, the more na may chances tayo na mas masakit yung pagwawax natin. Also, you can try eating foods that are rich in potassium like bananas, green leafy vegetables, or cucumbers kasi it eases skin sensitivity. So, before you wax, probably a day before, pwede kang mag-consume ng mga foods na to just to ease the skin sensitivity before you wax. Also, pre-waxing, try as much as possible to avoid skin exposure kasi mas sensitive yung balat natin kapag sobrang init ng balat. So, isa sa mga pwede rin nating i-try before we fully wax one area of our body is to know where you can wax. So, for example, since skin sensitivities don't always affect the whole body, minsan may mga taong sensitive lang sila sa face nila or may mga taong super or extra sensitive sa hands nila, you can try to avoid that part muna kung first time mong magta-try ng waxing. You can try less sensitive areas ng katawan mo. Kung sa tingin mo less sensitive yung paa mo, pwede mong i-try muna sa toes mo yung waxing, or pwede rin naman na mag-try ka muna ng napakaliit na portion sa legs mo. If you think that there is a reaction, you can try avoiding that area. And also, for example, hindi mo alam kung saan ka talaga sensitive na, kung saang area talaga ng katawan mo super sensitive, pero gusto mo maging extra cautious kasi magta-try ka, first time mong mag-try ng product na to. You can try first in your inner wrist. So, pwede kang maglagay ng konting-konti lang. For example, ganito lang. Depende sa preference mo. And then, wait up at least 24 to 48 hours after you've tried it. Kung sa tingin mo walang reaction, it means you're okay with the ingredient, you're okay with the product. Pero kung sa tingin mo na nagkaroon siya ng reaction, pwede mong i-avoid yung part na yon kung magwo-wax ka. And also, just take note lang na pinkish and the redness of skin is temporary and should be gone at least 24 to 48 hours after mong mag-wax. Kasi minsan sa sobrang sensitive ng skin, once na i-peel off natin yung wax film sa ating balat, nagkakaroon siya ng konting redness and konting pagka-pink. So, it should subside. Normally sa akin, nagsusubside siya at least 5 minutes after I wax lang. Tapos na. So, better give yourself at least 24 to 48 hours to subside para mawala yung redness and yung pinkish na sa balat natin. Okay? Know this simple after wax care. So, what do we mean by simple tips namin for after wax care. So for example, nag-wax ka ng underarm mo. Parang to let the skin go back to its normal state, just try to wear something loose or something comfortable like this one. Sobrang comfortable niya. Just to give your skin a space and the time to breathe first and go back to its normal state. Kaya natin din tinatry na iwasan yon, just to, para maiwasan din natin yung friction ng balat natin. Kasi yung balat natin, after waxing, nagiging extra sensitive siya kasi natatanggal yung top layer ng skin natin. So, we should give our skin at least 24 to 48 hours to breathe and to go back to its normal state. Also, after waxing, try to avoid perfumed products. For example, nag-wax ka ng arms mo, yung iba nagsispray ng cologne or ng perfume sa arms and sa any part of our body. Try to avoid that first. Also, avoid putting lotion on and deodorant on at least 24 to 48 hours after waxing. Again, just to let our skin breathe and go back to its normal state. Kasi magkakaroon siya ng skin irritation kapag naglagay kagad tayo ng mga products katulad ng lotion, perfume, deodorant sa ating balat. So make sure na you schedule your waxing day accordingly to your plan. Kasi, for example, may event kang pupuntahan. Of course, hindi ka naman pwedeng pumunta sa event ng medyo parang hindi naliligo. So, make sure you plan ahead. Kasi, ito yung mga bagay na dapat nating iwasan after waxing. Also, try to avoid excessive activity after waxing at least 24 hours after waxing. Bakit? Kasi kapag for example nagpapawis tayo, doon na nagsisimula yung skin irritation. So make sure na nagawa mo na lahat ng workout mo or nagawa mo na yung mga tipong sobrang excessive na activity, yung katulad nga ng pag-workout before ka mag-wax. Kasi una, kailangan mong mag-wear ng loose clothing. And pangalawa, kasi once na mag-perspire ka or magpawis ka, yung pawis mo can irritate your waxed skin easily. So, try to be comfortable and relaxed just after you wax your skin. So, para lang maiwasan natin yung mga skin irritation. And this applies also not only to people with sensitive skin, it also applies to people with like normal skin like myself. Yun yung pwede nating iwasan na pwede nating gawin for after wax care. So, we've just finished another episode of our waxing journey. Sana naging makabuluhan itong session na to and sana nakatulong to, especially sa mga taong gustong mag-try ng waxing pero natatakot sila kasi may sensitive skin sila. So, sana naging helpful po ito sa inyo. And if you have any suggestions ng topics na gusto nyo pang i-cover namin, please comment them down below para i-try namin yung best namin to produce that content. And also, if you're interested to try waxing, hard wax, our waxing kit is available on Lazada and Shopee. Ililink na lang po namin below. Ang wax kit po namin ay may kasamang wax warmer, available po in black, pink, and purple. Meron din po siyang kasamang 200 grams na wax beans, pink, free po siya, and also meron din po siyang kasamang 10 pieces ng wooden spatula or applicator sticks. So, if you want to check out that product, pwede po kayong mag-check dun sa link na ilalagay namin sa baba. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. We also have Instagram and Facebook account. You can follow us. You can like our page there. And yun lang. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys next time.